But you know what? I believe the Lord will restore everything this year. Thank the Lord. Trust me, I'm talking with experience now. You'll never appreciate the thing until you lose it. Do you think you have a problem? Far from you. When you lose an eye, then let me see what you're going to do. My other eye is very weak. So if I take the glasses, I just see very blurry. I can't tell. Well, I don't know if I should say this as a joke, but if anybody wants to kill me now, it's very easy. Well, from this side I don't see, and from this side I see very little. But you know what? I believe the Lord will restore everything this year. One thing I pray to the Lord, until He restores them, I hope I don't remain living in hell, because it's not very fun. But the last thing, it takes hell to appreciate heaven. It takes hell to appreciate heaven. When you're alone, truly alone, yet you are surrounded by people, but you are alone. People come and say, we do this for you and we do that for you, but you're alone. But the Lord said, all of you will leave me, and you will leave me alone. But, you know this little word, but, oh, has very profound impact on a lot of things. You will all leave me alone, but I am not alone, for my Father is with me.